Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AI as a science professor on the Ask AI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the education button that you will be able to find in the middle of the screen, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Science Chat. Here you can find the default instruction: act like a professor. Every time I write you FYI, which is for your information, you will give me a new information. So tap on the send button and you will get for your information answer from the AI. So it's an interesting information that will be presented by the AI in a few seconds. You can see that it is being generated, and here is the answer word by word. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.